Let's go. Happy Thursday, Snap Deadly folks. Let's pick some fucking right now. Previously on Kimba TV. No swing fail, no swing fail, por favor. No swing fail, por favor. No swing fail, por favor. Just blast through it. 3, 2, 1. All right, here we go. Snap Diddly. Snap Diddly. Here we go. Oh no. Oh no. Is this the scam pump? Is this the scam pump? Oh no. That looks like a sweep-a-roni. That's looking like a sweep. That's looking like a sweep. Yo! Because I think if it sweeps, if it sweeps there, and it doesn't even go here, we have another leg up, I think. Italianic, Kimba, did you take short? Negative. Where's the div? Did you watch the highlight? Do you see why? The only time I'm gonna keep the limits in is when I'm sleeping. As soon as I wake up, I'm canceling. I'm Mr. Wait for an edge, so this doesn't happen. No edge. Nothing. And if you do, you guys remember how I said I was bullish on S&P? Yes. So nope, nothing yet. Maybe the only thing I would maybe try is a long. Yeah. You see what I mean by I was hoping I didn't get stopped out and it just reverses. Yeah. Look at that. Fuck. Oh shit. Madi says, Kimba, we juiced using the box. Nice. I saw a couple of DMs from you guys. You guys are in longs, huh? I think at this point, me anyways, or anybody that's not in a position, we gotta wait a little bit. Ideally, we get some sort of like golden pocket pullback. So that is, so if we could turn this into support, that would be great. And what's really cool is you're starting to get a little bit of confluence. So, you know, maybe turning this into would be nice. So we'll keep an eye on all that. We got a couple things coming up. So that's okay. I would assume most people, if you blindly took the short, now you know why I'm such a stickler for some sort of edge. The only time you would really take it is if you're going to be sleeping, right? That's it. But as soon as you wake up, as soon as S&P is open, you got to get an edge, you know, because we already talked about how bullish looking S&P is, right? That guy Rojas, the long any pullback was right again. Yes, sir. Yep. I mean, we were waiting for a double bot, bro. I can't believe this. I can't believe that, though. That really blows my mind. Shit, man. It's hella funny because when we were dumping, hella people were like, are you placing limits? Are you placing limits? And I said, no, I'm not. I'm going to wait for a div. I think some of you guys blindly took the long, right? And you guys are juicing. I don't know what to tell you, man, because sometimes you motherfuckers will take a blind long and it'll work, and then some of you guys will get wrecked on the blind short. So I don't know, man. You know, I'm always going to wait for a div. So I'll miss that, right? But I'm not going to get wrecked there either. You know? Bumbaclaw, so you would take the short if we get a bear div? No. So, Bumbaclaw, that would be the first time when I would even think about it, Bumbaclaw. Just because there's a bear div, that's not even 5th grade TA. That's like kindergarten TA. So just because there's a bear div, is that it? Whatever I say first, Bumbaclaw, that's what would be my trigger for interest. So for example, if we get to a level and if we start to form a bear div, then that would be the first time I would actually be interested in taking it. I would still want more confluence. Mainly, I want S&P to also look bearish. Just because Bitcoin looks bearish on the 5-minute, if S&P starts making a higher high and starts to go to 40.65, do you think that's a short that I want to take? And to be honest with you, not financial advice, but I would prefer to be longing than getting a short. The risk reward, if you quantify the risk reward, it's almost like break even. You don't have any positive risk reward on a short. You're risking $50 to make $50. It's not an edge. because you got to think about your stop loss. Yeah, me personally, just from a mathematical standpoint, I would prefer to long that. But taking a short is gonna be risky because you might have a 5-minute bear div, but it might just be making a higher high. So I don't know if you would want to short on a 5-minute bear div and that's all you got. Wouldn't you at least want to like? If you told me a 5-minute bear div on S&P and Bitcoin, and S&P was doing it like at 40.10 or something, it did that, then yeah, you've got confluence at a level and an edge on S&P and on Biddy. So that would be good enough. But just because it does that, no. Yeah, so you've got a couple of things, right? You've got the smaller time frame swing high, swing low. If this smaller time frame golden pocket is gonna get lost, I mean the real big daddy one is this one, but so it's actually pixel fucking right. But these are like the 5-minute ones, right? The real one that we just looked at for the Bitcoin swing high, swing low, and the S&P would be the one from yesterday, right? So look, it's actually pixel fucking on golden poquito right now. So I would say that if the immediate golden pocket on S&P doesn't hold, then it might try to do the gap fill. And if it tries to do the gap fill, then you've got the true big daddy swing high, swing low, golden pocket, volume control, and you've got a liquidity sweep. So yeah, so I think you've got a couple of options here. That's why the confluence is so important, and I think that's why, like, you know, divs are going to be important. I don't think you just want to take shit blindly. You know what I mean? So I think you're just constantly, you know, gauging where the levels are here, where it might line up here, you know, where's the liquidity at? Are you going to start to get divs? Maybe the 5-minute CVD is going to start to change a little bit. You see how there's like no real, you see how like on the CVD, it's really not bearish. There's no, like not even on the 5-minute, there's no bear div. So, you're just gonna have to be careful. You still need to break 382. That's obviously hella concerning. You know, for it to be holding golden pocket while it's holding 382, and we already talked about that. I'm still hopeful that it recalibrates and comes down here. But like if you get stopped out on that, then you have another thing that you might want to try, right? And if that you get stopped out on that, then that's your next one that you could try. So since there's so many, you know, different areas that you could jump in on, I think you want to just try to be patient, try to see what S&P is going to do, and then try to correlate the levels together. Yellen is speaking right now? No. Lord have mercy, because she's hella bearish. Wait, what? Where? Where's Yellen speaking? Does anybody have a... Got it. Oh, Lord have mercy. Shit. Maybe we need to get into a long. What do you guys think? Or should we just market smash? Shit, is that confluence for the golden pocket? Oh, hell no. What are we gonna do? Shit. I didn't factor this in. We did all that, if, then, and that. We did all this, if, then, this, that, POC. We forgot about the queen. We forgot about the queen. Shit. Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh, it's starting. Hold on. Oh, shit. All right, throw all that TA shit out the window. Just throw it out. You guys remember this from last night? The 1 hour bull div on the golden pocket. We wanted it last night, right? Oh man. Look at that. Snap delay. All right, let me be quiet. Let's I hope this shit's done, man, so we can get back to the charts, but we've already planned for all this stuff, and that's not a div right there. That's not a bull div. It's not a lower low. So it's not a div, but same here. These are convergences, not divergences. It's like winding up and everything too. How cute. Which way? Just straight fucking on the, literally on the white line. So we have what we got. We have the, I think I'm being objective, and I don't think I have like hopium bias. I still think we lose this. I still think we lose this, and let's throw in some king. What does the KingFisher say? Yeah. I just don't want to get debated, you know. But this is what it is. So overall, I still want to try those longs. Do you guys remember the 3 areas that we talked about possibly longing? So if this is gonna be a bull div on like an hourly, you know, that's still a play. You know, that was not even a 5-minute bull div. There was no div, but this could end up being like a 15 or a 1 hour bull div. So attempt number 1. But that's obviously, this is baby, right? So really, aside from the div and the fib, you really, and the level maybe, you really don't have, like you really want the volume to help you out. The better one would obviously be this one, right? So if you do lose this volume cluster, then the next obvious would be this cluster right here, and it's still pretty big. And it lines up right with the big swing high, swing low Kimba box, right? So that's way better than the other one, and you can already kind of see like it could be this sweep. But obviously the one that I really want is this one. So obviously I'm not gonna put limits in blindly. It's levels of interest, right? So that's where I would start to get interested to want to take a shot. I still need to get edges, and obviously the confluence with S&P is gonna be the best thing. Yeah, so we got options expirations tomorrow. That's probably like the big thangity thing. So I'll probably, you know, just wait until the gamma and the gex is available and try to place my bets. My more solidified plans are to long pullbacks, right? And I think the only short attempt I would really try would be another swing fail. So, you know, everything's gonna be tight. I'm not gonna try to get dumped on unless I really feel it right before I go to sleep. I might put blind limits in, but aside from, you know, going to sleep, I'm not gonna do anything blind. But you guys do what you guys feel is right. You know what I mean? You know what the 2 biggest dates probably are for the rest of the month? It's next Friday and next Thursday. On Thursday, you got GDP. On Friday, you have PCE and end of the month options expirations. And you guys saw how much money is in play mode, right? So the biggest gamma for tomorrow's options expirations is 94 million at 30,000, right? But that's whatever. But next week, you've got 243 million on 30,000. And then this is also the gamma for all expirations on SPY. So it's all expirations. So you don't know if it's going to be this Friday. Probably not. But you start to think about like next Friday. Not this Friday, but next Friday. And you have a great deviation, distribution like that. And it's also within standard deviation. So I would love to get into a long at like the sweep. Saddest part of the day, ladies and gentlemen. Try to go to bed hella early today so that I can start the stream early tomorrow. And make sure you guys are in the Discord under Kimba's Den. If I get filled, I'll post it. If there's any gamma or gex changes, I'll post it. So, but I think the plans like for a potential pullback is like pretty thoroughly covered. So, all right, you guys stay safe. All right, let me trigger the volatility. Here we go. Oh boy. All right. I don't care if you're longing or shorting, bullish or bearish. You know what it is. I'm rooting for each and every one of you guys. So do your best. Stay safe. And I'm excited to catch up with you guys tomorrow morning. I wonder where S&P is going to be. Will it have a 4 in front or still a 3? I hope I don't get left at the train station. All right, you guys, have a great night, everybody. Peace.
Listen up, you. Oh, it's the truth. Let's speak. Kimba is my name. Trading is my game. Bitcoin is my focus. Charge all my guide. Profit is my goal, so I never step aside. It is just mathematics, a few trading tactics. Fibonacci is my mate. Golden ratio on my mind. You got to respect the trend, or you'll be left behind.